I know you want to start content creation, but you are confused at what platform to start creating content on. You're wondering if you should start on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, even threads. People post on threads. In this video, we're going to be comparing YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Which of these platform is best for beginners? But not always talk about the money potential right now. At the end of the video, we're going to talk about money potential of each platform. So you got to stick to the end of this video to know which platform pays better and pays more. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide on what platform to start creating content on. Now, before we get into this video, you ask yourself the first question is, why do you want to create content? I feel like the buzz of content creation is all over right now, and everybody wants to become a content creator. This is not me trying to discourage you, but you don't have to follow the trends of content creators to become a content creator just because everybody is doing this. Now that we have that by the side, let's start with the comparison. First off, we are going to start with TikTok. Now, bear this in mind, TikTok is one of the easiest platforms to grow on, if not the easiest. TikTok is actually the easiest platform to grow on. We have seen so many people blow on TikTok overnight. Okay. It is very easy to test ideas on TikTok. Let's say you have something in your mind that you want to do. It's easier for you to think about it, film it, post it on TikTok, and get feedback. And your feedback on TikTok can either tell you whether or not your content is going to do great. It's easy to go viral on TikTok. But one thing about TikTok virality is that it is short lived. You may post one video today, it goes viral, and tomorrow you are forgotten. Once that video that brought people to you is not coming consistently, people will leave you and they will move on with their lives. That is one thing about TikTok that I actually do not really like. But yes, it is very easy to grow. One viral video will bring a lot of audience to you, and you can as well test your videos. Okay, what could work, what could not work on TikTok. And then loyalty on TikTok is very low. Ask Adefe, she will tell you people on TikTok, they like you when they like you. And when they don't like you, that's it. That is it for you. You literally would lose that loyalty, that audience that you think you have built. You will lose it all on TikTok. So now the thing is, TikTok is easy to grow, easy to test ideas. Virality is very easy to get on TikTok, but loyalty is actually low. So think about it. If these actually are things that you can deal with, maybe you might want to start on TikTok. Now let's move to Instagram. Instagram is like that senior in boarding school that is very posh. She's just always in her own world, in her own space. You have to come into her. Like it is so hard for her to allow people into her space or for her to even like you. And when she likes you, you now feel like that celebrity. That's how Instagram is. Instagram is one of the hardest platforms to grow on. It's great for connection and building community. Like people on Instagram, I feel like they're more mature, even if we're all the same. But I think each platform brings a different side of you out. It's easy to have like great connections, build a really good community on Instagram, but it's actually harder to grow compared to TikTok because things change every time. Trends are changing, the platform itself changes, and you tend to have to be able to evolve with the change that is happening on Instagram, else you may not be able to grow on Instagram. It is harder. A video may go viral on TikTok and not go viral on Instagram. That's how it is. The platform is just you do shakara. Now, it helps to build personal brand. If you want to build a personal brand, Instagram is your go-to place because people take it more seriously than TikTok. Not like TikTok is not a good platform, but people take people that grow on Instagram, that everything's on Instagram more seriously. You're able to build your brands there. If you can grow on Instagram, you can grow anywhere. If you can grow on Instagram, build a community, you can grow anywhere. So if you want to build a personal brand, you want to be known for this, you want to be known for something, Instagram is your go-to place. And it is as well better for engagement and trust. If you're an influencer or you want to be an influencer and you're posting on Instagram, you're able to have a community. People like if you tell people to do so and so, they will do it because it is you that is telling them to do it. That is what influence is. Now, thinking about starting on Instagram, I don't know. I cannot necessarily say you should open an Instagram page. Honestly, I wouldn't do that if I was starting afresh and I want to focus on one platform. I would not do that. But these are the things. It is harder to grow. It is great for good connection and having a good community. It is good for personal branding, and it is better for engagement. And when your audience trusts you, you're going to do so well on Instagram. And now we talk about the almighty YouTube. YouTube is like the boss of the bosses. YouTube is the Odogo of them, or the Oga Patapata of all of them put together. If you know, you know. You can be on YouTube for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years and still be stuck on under 1,000 subscribers. Yes, I am telling you, because I can beat my chest and say that I am a partaker of under 1,000 subscriber in 4 years. Now, YouTube is one of the hardest platforms to grow on. The hardest platforms to grow on. That's what YouTube is. But the thing about YouTube is, once you grow on YouTube, you build a good community, like a great community of people that relate with you, that understand you, that will be loyal to you, people that would fight for you anywhere, people that will come and defend you anywhere, anytime, any day. Ask Dima Ume and she will tell you. Ask CME and she will tell you. YouTube audience are one of the most loyal set of audience that you will ever grow or have. Now, another thing about YouTube is your content lives longer. Like people's content from way back. I was still trying to do workouts today, and I searched for workouts and I used a workout from 2 years ago yesterday. The day before that, I used the workout from 4 years ago. YouTube videos live longer when you post evergreen content. People can always go back to your previous videos to watch and still learn. Now, YouTube is best for sustainable growth. It's best for sustainable growth because, like I said, your videos can be on YouTube for years and people can always come back to watch your videos, and you can build a very good community. You may not necessarily post for a whole month on YouTube and people can still be watching your content. But on Instagram and TikTok, it is not like that. When they don't see your face very often, you get forgotten. But on YouTube, when people don't see you, you see them leaving comments like, oh, where have you been? They have missed you. You've not been available. That is what you have built over the time, over years, because you've built this connection with these people, you've built this loyalty with them. They would always come back to check up on you. Now, let's talk about the income potential of each platform. Now, there are several ways to make money off social media, but for me, the best right now, if you're in Nigerian or in Africa, the best place to make money is on YouTube, because you don't need brand deals yet to start making money on YouTube. Once you get monetized, YouTube will start paying you. Now, imagine getting paid in dollars and convert that to your currency and do the math yourself. Do the math yourself. The platform pays you to cost on it, but other platforms do not pay you. You have to wait for brand deals, you have to wait for collaborations, you have to wait for PR packages before you can now start getting paid on those other platforms. Now, my overall advice is number one, choose the platform that best matches your energy. If you're more laid back, you don't like fire brigade things, just go for YouTube or Instagram. Or if you're in the like of the party and you're very bubbly, you can go for TikTok. I'm literally shouting right now so that you guys can hear me. It's rainy, just raining right now. So do what your energy can carry. Another thing I would say is you can repurpose one video across all platforms and see. You can test the waters. It is not easy to repurpose. You hear people tell you to repurpose your videos, but it is not easy to repurpose videos. I'm going to tell you that for a fact. It is not easy. And then be consistent on whatever platform you choose to, because consistency works on each of these platforms. If you're not consistent, trust me, you're not going to grow. I personally have not been consistent on all my platforms. I was following the trend. I wasn't being what felt best for me. I was posting on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere. But right now I'm focusing on YouTube because I know I want to build something that is sustainable. I want to be able to build something that I can always go back, who can always go back to, watch and learn from. That is why I'm focusing more on YouTube. So now let me know which platform would work best for you and which platform you would like to start posting on now as a beginner content creator, or someone that has been creating content but you want to, rebrand and all of that. Let me know the one you are going to start posting on in the comment section. Okay. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. The best platform for you right now is a platform that you can stay consistent, that you can be consistently posting. If you know you like short form content and you can consistently post short form content, do that. If you know you can consistently post long form content, do that. And talking about consistency, I made a video talking about the truth, the real truth about consistency that people don't know. Fail to check it out. I'm going to link it in this video. It's going to play next after this. Okay, do also watch that video and learn about consistency so you don't burn yourself out. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.